Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a very popular bow rider for here on the lake. So the 310 SLX gives you joystick, twin engines, and all of the amenities that you'd find in a larger bow rider. Back here in the back you do have the sizable swim platform lounge seat, or you can have dual zone pop-up backrest, depending on if you wanted to lay all the way back, lay here, sit with your feet off the edge. As you move forward, you will have a built-in cooler here in this floor. Battery switch is right there, easy in your walk-through gunnel. Very popular style is to have your entertainment station back here in the back. So you'll have a sink, a nice big grill, a prep station, and a little bit of an area to where you can have some extra storage on this boat. You have trash can behind door number 1, and door number 2 will have your nice refrigerator. This one will come equipped with the rear sheer shade and the sunroof option. So moving forward onto the boat, we have 2 more of my favorite features on board. Over here you will have the joystick option, which allows you to dock this boat, whether it's your first boat or 100th boat, like you know what you're doing. Plenty of dash space here. You have the twin Simrads, nice digital fusion radio, and a very nice head on board. To give you a sink, a toilet that is a pump out toilet. Right up forward of your cabin is your pump out. Same side on the other side will be your water fill. As we move forward on this boat, you'll see again, very nice bow option. Have plenty of seating up here. Again, leather wrapped grab handles all throughout the boat. Nice LEDs through here, and 2 table mounts. So if you wanted to add tables up here in the bow, you could. This boat is for sale here on Lake Lanier. It is on our sales dock. So if you have any questions or want to come see it, my name is Quinn and I'd be happy to show you.